Now we will go to the custom categories. Which are the customer of this retail shop? Okay, so custom category will goes to the legend. Okay, and we will see from how much sales we are getting from these customers. So go to the sales, and this is the answer. This is the sale for this custom segment. Let's format it and make it more beautiful. So data label is on. I will change it to some proper manner in the form of percentage of total. Okay, and change the size up to 16. Color black. And just more important. We can change the position also. Inside, we can put it inside. Before outside. Okay, and so legends. This is legend. We can change the size up to 12 and color black. Okay, this one's better. And change the title. So this is a sales by custom category. So we see what are the who are the customers? The corporate, home office, consumers, and small business. So who is taking the credit more? So this blue one, which is this blue one, is a corporate. So corporate one, they want more product from this retail shop. That is 36.91 sales they are doing, followed by the home offices, that is 23.91, consumer 20.57, and small businesses 18.61. Now we will check for the pie donut. Now we have done donut chart. Now we will go for the pie chart. So similarly, we can check the profit from customer segment. Customer segment, we put it here, and profit in the values. Here we get the profit for the each and every one. Let's see who is taking the crown, and change the title. Increase the size. Now in this 20 minutes, I think so you will learn how to do formatting and how to create a bar chart, column chart, pie chart, and donut chart. Okay, what is the remain now? Yes, effects. Effect, go to effects, visual border on. Similarly for this, visual border on and shadow on. So you can next now for the profit. So profit is gained by the corporate more, as sales is more in corporate, so profit also. Then it is followed by the home office, that is 20.95%. Similarly, as sale is also good in the home office. Then now we will go to the small business. Even the small business sale is less, but it giving the more profit. And very less is the consumer, as it is giving more sales from the more sales from this, but it's giving the less profit. Let's see the trend of this sales. For the sales trend, we want to use line chart. Line chart is used to show the trend. Means time period. Okay, whenever we want to show the time period for the years, month, we have to use the line chart. It is preferable to use the line chart. So for the line chart, I'm using the x-axis for this order date. X-axis is order date, and I want it in the form of suppose year. Okay, and for the y-axis, I want product categories. Sorry, I want a sales over this time period. Let I format it first, and then I will show you the result. And this is purple. Now we will create a profit for this. So for the profit, now we will use the area chart. Okay. In this area chart, I am going to show the trend over the same time period for the profit one. Now I'm using the same order date for the same year. You can choose a month also. That will change to month also after that. And y-axis is a profit. So in 2009, there is a good sale and profit too. So it is not visible properly. And profit for the same years. The sale is 42 million, 4 millions, and the profit also around 4 millions. But as the year approaches to 2010, the sales is less, profit is also goes to less. But 2011 profit increases. But here the 2011 sale decreases, but still profit is increases. And 2012 naturally it is a rise of the sale, so profit is not so much, and profit again decrease here. And we can see here which product category uh, responsible for decreasing the sales and profit. For that, you can add a legend. Just like if I put legend in the legend, if I want to put product category, so it will shows this is a technology having a good sales and profit, good profit here. And similarly, I can go to this one. So side by side, we can see. So naturally, technology giving the good sales and good profit also. But the office appliances is having a less sale and then it increase. But office sales here giving a good profit as compared to the furniture one. Now let's go for the further one. Now we can see how this product gets shifted to the respective location. And for this, we have ship mode. We can choose again the bar chart, adding the ship mode to the y-axis, and we can check according to order date, which gives the more profit. Which mode is giving a good profit? Okay, because shipping mode also help in reducing the price. This is some of the profit. So regular air giving the more profit as compared to delivery truck and express air. First I'm what? First I'm switch on the data label on and format it first. So give the value up to 16 and use the black color. And you can change this color also after that for better visual. Position inside end. And I'm changing the color. Okay. So for regular air, I'm using the little faint blue color. Okay. For delivery truck, I'm using this pink color. And for the express air, I'm using this yellow color. Okay. So all the numbers are visible here. So regular air giving 1.1 million of profit. Delivery truck giving us 0.27 and express air is 0.15. So it's better to use regular air, which might be regular frequency between the cities. So that's why regular air giving good profit. Let's format it a little bit. Y-axis, title of 16 and dark black color. And for the x-axis, value of and title of. What I can do is go to general, title, change the title, right, bold, middle one, center. Effects, visual border, and shadow. Y-axis, values, bold, and data label also bold. Okay, so this is also one useful thing for sales dashboard. Now let's move to different chart. Now let's make a table. In this table, I'm putting the different product category. And subcategory. You can tick here, it will come automatically here. Then next I want to put sales, profit, and here we created profit margins. So here different kind of product categories there. Okay, and subcategories. Sum of sale for each one, profit, who's giving good profit, whose profit is going in negative, and the profit margin. Let's format it first. You can do like this also, or alternative border header. So values, we can increase the size up to 12. For better visibility. And what you can do, you can change it to matrix. So it is giving the total furniture sale. The table is fine. So here we come to know for furniture, which kind of furniture they're selling. Bookcases, chair and chair mat, office furnishing tables, office supplies are appliances, binders, envelope, label, paper, pens, and for technology, computer peripherals, copier, fax, printer, office machines, and telephone. We can change the background color also. Conditional formatting. We are doing conditional formatting according to high and low, which given the lowest value will be blue, and highest value blue or dark blue. We can choose highest value will be green. Let's go to the green color. Okay, and lowest value will be the little dark blue. Okay, so here you can see the changes here. You can see the color is not looking good. Thanks to simple blue color. Okay, so this dark green is giving a high sales, and while the blue one is giving a low sales. Similarly, we can do for the profit also. I'm using here the dark red color or red color and the blue color. Okay, so the red one is giving a good profit and the faint color is giving a less profit. Similarly, you can do for the profit margin also. Let's check the profit by product subcategory. So we can use the tree map here. In the tree map, I'm using the category as a product subcategory, or you can use the shipping mode also. Putting in the shipping mode. Shipping mode already done. Okay. Product container. I'm using product container. There are different kind of product container, and the details is a profit. Sorry, values. Okay. Here we get the remap for the product container with respect to profit. Okay. Okay. So small boxes, it's better to use small boxes. The size of this tree map, this rectangle shows the uh, profit, more profit, more size, more profit. It is a 9 million profit for the small boxes. Jumbo drum, 3 million. Medium is 1 million. Small box, 89,000. Large box, small pack and flat pack. So we can on the data level here. On the data level, you will get the value here. Okay, which one is largest and which one is smallest. So we can use, as compared to large box, we can use the jumbo drum also. Okay. Title 20 and center one. Okay. And here we can do other thing also. Just like a data level, category level. Increase to 16. Bold. Okay. It's very big. We can reduce the size up to 12. So each and every one should be visible. And the data level also increasing the size up to 12. Okay. And bold. Okay. So now here we are seeing profit from different things, just like as compared to product category, we can get a profit from shipping mode and choosing the proper boxes. Okay. And from this table, we can see that there's a losses from the furniture, from the bookcases. So we can mm, uh, try to stop to keep these bookcases in our shop, or try to find a new customer for bookcases. Similarly for tables. Tables also we can have to market it for the tables, or we have to change the tables shape and size according to customer taste. So from that we can improve the profit of the furniture, or we can use any foldable one, so it can be packed in a small boxes, so it can give more profit from there, even though sales is good, but profit is very less. So we can have to think for alternative wrapping boxing of this product. Now we go for this discount. Okay, as a discount is making any changes in this, so let's we use the scatter plot for this. So with respect to sales and profit, if we are giving discounts, so how it is how it is helpful for the company. So I'm putting x-axis as a discount, x-axis x-axis discount. I'll say do not summarize it. Okay, or otherwise I can do is I'm going to do sales for the x-axis, profit for the y-axis, and just giving the summation of all the thing. I don't want to summation. I don't want to summarize it. Similarly for the profit, do not summarize. And legend is we can use customer segment. We can use customer segment as legend, and discount as a size. So this is, let's format it first, and we can able to see proper visualization. X-axis, make it 16 and bold, and especially use the color dark color, and similarly for the y-axis, choose the black color and bold 12. And bold. That can we do here, and similarly we can increase the size up to 16. Okay, and for the x-axis also I'm changing the values, or not values, I'm changing the title size 12 and bold. Okay, and similarly for the legends. Legends on 12 and black. Okay, So here we are seeing some bubbles. Okay, different bubble, different sizes. Actually, this is not a scatter plot, it's a bubble plot. So here we can see using the discount. Uh, there's a, if you are giving a discount here, but all the bubbles, maximum bubbles is near about 0, and very less bubbles is outside. Only corporate is giving a profit. We have seen in the last graph. Okay, corporate, home office, they're giving a good profit, but there's no such effect of giving discount which help in a help in a profit, gaining a profit or gaining a sales. Okay, what else remains is title. Change the title from general. Okay, give the size of 20, bold, and center one. Okay, and go to the effects, header on, and visual border on. Similarly for the this one, visual border on and shadow on. Okay, so here we have made lots of graph which is useful to analyze how the sale and profit is going on for this superstore. Here we say this for the year, we can change it into month also if you want, or let's create one more, or it's fine. For that hierarchy, I'm choosing month here, quarter, then. So it is, and I'm removing this product category. Okay, so you can see in January the sale is more, but from November the sale is going to increase. At the end of the year, the sale is going to increase. In between, the sale is going up and down. In June, the sale is very less. Okay, so this is our sales dashboard.